भुनक्तु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। 24th verse. एतत्तुल्यं यदि मन्यसे वरम् वृणीष्व वित्तं चिरजीविकां च। महाभूमौ नचिकेतस्त्वमेधी कामानां त्वा कामभाजं करोमि। ये कामा दुर्लभा मर्त्यलोके सर्वान् कामागमश्चन्दतः प्रार्थयस्व। सर्वान् कामागमश्चन्दतः प्रार्थयस्व। छन्दतः प्रार्थयस्व। इमा रामा सरथा सतूर्याः न हीदृशा लम्भनीया मनुष्यैः। आभिर्मत्तप्रत्ताभिपरिचारयस्व। आभिर्मत्प्रत्ताभिः परिचारयस्व। नचिकेतो मरणं मानुप्राक्षीः। अगेन ये कामा दुर्लभा मर्त्यलोके सर्वान् कामागम छन्दतः प्रार्थयस्व। इमा रामा सरथा सतूर्याः इमा रामा सरथा सतूर्याः न हीदृशा लम्भनीया मनुष्यैः। आभिर्मत्प्रत्ताभिः परिचारयस्व। नचिकेतो मरणं मानुप्राक्षीः। नचिकेतो मरणं मानुप्राक्षीः। The 20th verse, Nachiketa had asked the main question of Kathopanishad. When this question was asked, so Yamaraj is trying to discourage from asking a question, it appears. But actually, it is not the discouragement from asking the question. It is just trying to indicate what qualifications are required to get the answer of such a subtle question. Supposing straight away if we had given the answer, so listener will not be able to know that these are the qualifications required. So it is an indicator for the qualifications that a seeker should develop. Then, well, supposing if I give the knowledge to unqualified person, what will happen? Two things will happen. Either he won't understand, or ideally he will misunderstand. And after misunderstanding, he will propagate that knowledge also. That misunderstood knowledge, he will take it forward. And therefore, many a times, this Vedant was not given to the common person. Many teachers whom I know, they used to have a closed door Vedantic session, which is not open to all. Like your university, your studies are not open to all, that anybody can come and join in. He has to go through entrance examination, some interviews there. It will be seen whether you are fit for this course or not fit, or just you cannot crash course inside that. Immediately you enter any room and start, then the teacher will say that because you have not studied earlier, so you are not fit for this particular course. Your aptitude is not there. And therefore we have interview, we have written test before you are going into another grade. But when it comes to Vedanta, people think I can just enter at any time and start hearing that. Therefore I don't allow anybody else in my morning Vedanta class. They have to take permission. So better that a person should first get ready. Acha, text is going on, which is little higher text. And this person is first time listener. Now, the one I'm addressing to that student who is listening from 8 years or 6 years. And this is the first day one. He comes and sit in the class randomly. Now when I talk on that level, so this person gets very confused. Already he was confused. And the result of that is that he may misinterpret something. My fear is that some things are said which are very high level things. This person will misinterpret. And therefore there is a certain assessment test has to be there. So here Yamadharmaraj is taking some assessment test, how much qualified you are. So first he tested his mumukshatva by telling that this is very difficult to know. Then Nachiketa has said, if it is difficult, I am more inspired. I am not going to leave because it is difficult. This is the best thing to know. This was the test of mumukshatva in 21st mantra. Then in 23rd and 24th mantra, his dispassion was tested. Dispassion regarding the ihalok. In this world, dispassion means the ability to see three things in the world. What is these three things? Dukkha swarupatvam. Everything is riddled with sorrow. Shanikatvam. Everything is very flimsy and finite. Very flimsy and finite. And bandhakatvam. Everything will bind me. Everything has three in one. In this world, if I get attached to something, it will have the three things. First was Dukkha mishritatvam, everything is mixed with lot of sorrow. So moment you are working for the sake of working, and you are working with somebody for the sake of purifying your mind, then it is fine. But moment you become bhokta or enjoyer of something, you become bhokta or enjoyer, then this enjoyer will get some more quota of sorrow in due time. Only, but I am not getting sorrow. Just wait. Sorrow is in pipeline. So, dukkha mishritatvam is there. This is the first thing. Second thing was shanikatvam. There is a flimsiness in everything. Flimsiness. Something is there and it disappeared. And third thing was bandhakatvam. It binds a person. So with these three things, everything is associated with. And therefore, he is not having any sense of achievement in that. Yesterday it was asked, you take son, grandson, you yourself have, but everything is with this. So such a mind can retain the knowledge from the teacher. Otherwise his knowledge will be thrown apart. Like the Gajasnan, elephant takes bath. So after elephant takes bath, you know what it does? It goes in some field and he puts mud all around. Similarly, here in the class we may understand, but after that we have lot of enjoyers sitting inside. They are saying, meet me after 9 o'clock. I am giving you 1 hour. After that it is my day. Whole day is mine. What will you do? To test that this is not Nachiketa's weaknesses. Therefore he is saying like that. Now let me go to the 25th verse, which we have to see. Now he is putting more difficult test. More difficult test. What is this difficult test? Earlier it was the enjoyment of this world. Now it is enjoyment of Swarglok also. He is there only. He says, who says? Yamraj, ye kama. Kama means sense object. Karma vibhakti is there. Kamyante iti kama. So, whatever sense objects are very difficult in this world. Come on, let me go to the next world. I told you difficult is there. Sarvan kaman, all that sense object, chandataha. Chandata means very freely. Don't hesitate. Very freely. Prarthayasva. You ask. You ask anything and you will get it. Here, because he is a devata, so he can get. And then he is not stopping here. In front of him, in front of Nachiketa, he did like this. He just clapped like this. And lo, lot of damsels started coming around. Therefore, Ima is written. Ima. What is the Pratipadik of Ima? Idam. This. Pointing out in front of you. See. Not one, two. Plural is there. Not that one damsel came and ran away. Here there was a parade of various damsels. Apsaras came. Nice hairs were there, nice eyes were there. Here you don't see such. Apsaras are not there. So Ima Ramaha. Ramaha means what? Rama means those who give joy to the people. It is not Rama, Ram, Lakshman. That not. So here Rama means those who give joy. Ramyanti Purushan Ramaha. Nice, beautiful damsels were passing like that. He said, see Nachiketa. difficult बना दिया टेस्ट को. See Nachiketa, everybody. You see first, then I will talk to you. First observe everybody. Now you see three is in this or not? Three things which you were running away from. Dukkha Mishritatvam. Second was Chanikatvam. Third was Bandhakatvam. Who remembers all that time at that time? When sense objects in front of you, hope you enjoy. What is all this Dukkha Mishritatvam? Making everything so boring. Nice cake is kept in you and you are saying Dukkha Mishritatvam, it is mixed with Sareb, Hoga Dukkha Setta, we'll see later on. Sorrow will come, we'll see and face the sorrow. Let us enjoy first the cake. Now you think, because the sense organ, first thing that is attacked our intellect. Saratha means they didn't come, they came with a chariot also. Right? They were very delicate. More beautiful they are, more delicate they are. It must be hard for them to walk. Saratha. So, Saratha means Rathai Vartante Saratha. Acha, aur sun majedar baat. Saturiyaha. With musical instruments were also there. Saturiyaha means Vadanam Sadhanam. Vaditram. Saturiya means along with musical instruments. Some were singing, some were dancing, some were playing veena. Some were playing sitar. Ab lo. First swarg. Then beauty beyond comparison. On the top of that, singing also. And dancing also. Who will not want such kind of ladies? Difficult कर दिया टेस्ट इन्होंने तो. देखो. Ima Ramaha Saratha Saturyaha. Then he says, I can't see you, Prithviraj. Please come in between. Remove that chair. Please always sit so that I can see everybody. So he says, thank you. Nahi drishalambhiniya manushyahi. Only this is not available in human world, Nachiketa. Don't miss this opportunity. Opportunity doesn't come twice. Don't miss this. Somebody was sitting in the house and somebody knocked from outside. He didn't open. Then again that person asked. Didn't open. Third time. Then this person from inside, who is this? So from outside that said, I am opportunity. So this person from inside said, you cannot be opportunity because opportunity knocks once only. He said, why? Where from, Nachiketa? What is this? Nahi drishalambhiniya manushyahi. This is not available in mortal world. You see. See their height, you see, their face, you see the nice chariot is there. The chariot, that must be charioteer also must be there. That is also free. Everything is free, of course. Nothing that they have to pay. And to maintenance, so I will maintain that. Not that you have to go travel to maintain chariot. Well, it's a chariot wheel is not working. It's not that. It's my department. I will maintain the wheel. I'll get it cleaned every day. You don't worry about that. Nahi drishalambhaniya manushyahi. Don't say no now. Abhi mat pratabhi. Mat pratabhi means, send by me. Abhi, by these. Mat pratabhi means by these who are sent by me. Paricharayasva. Get yourself served. Ask them to get nice food for you. Ask them to press your feet. Ask them to press your head. Enjoy their seva also. Kya baat hai? Bhashyakar, right? Pada praksharanadi sushrusha kare atmanam. Ask them to wash your feet. The local one will not wash your feet. They will hit you. So, if you say wash the feet. Straight away they'll hit the head only. So these are not like that. Or they don't know how to speak. Such a hard voice is there. Hard voice neither looks good nor voice good. Forget about singing, dancing. As long as they're not singing, they're very good. Better not to sing when you don't know singing, please. Okay, problem is this here when I came in South Africa, everybody was singer. Then I stopped them. I said, please don't sing. When you don't know to sing, please don't sing. Singing requires a training. It's not easy. Just took the mic, started something like that. They don't know other person is suffering. When husband wife were there, moment wife started singing, husband opened all the windows. Somebody said, why you're opening windows? Husband said, people will think I'm beating her. Singing is very difficult area for your information. Please don't sing. Or sing in the bathroom at the most, not here. Therefore, I don't encourage singing for everybody. Neither I sing so that you should not suffer. So, abhi mat prattabihi. Paricharayasva. You seva karva, usse ko kuch gana गा दो. Sing something. And she has a lovely voice, lovely hair, lovely eyes. Those who are so lovely in looks also, and voice is also singing, very nice. What to say if they sing? All combination is there. First is their looks are very good. Second is voice is very good. Third is they are singing also. Fourth is they can serve also. Fifth is their nature is very good. Here not even one is there. Neither they are good in nature, neither good in looks, neither good in singing, nothing is good. And you live with this kind of people. And here you have the best. Here you have the best combination, Nachiketa. I am sending Paricharyasva. Paricharyasva means get seva from them. Don't hesitate. They will never say no. They will never shout. I will suspend them from heaven. I will rusticate them if they do something wrong. You just tell them. I will send 10 like that. And not that one is there. 10 will be there for you. One will press hand. One will press another hand. Third will press the feet. Fourth will bring, nice cold drink. Fifth will bring food. Sixth will sing. Only for you, exclusively for you. Seventh will dance. Eighth will, tell something nice about you. Who will refuse? Don't be foolish, Nachiketa, to refuse this offer. But only one condition. Nachiketa, maranam manuprakshi. That question about death, don't ask. Here maranam means marana vishaya prashnam. The question about death, what you ask, what happens to the Atma after death? Don't ask that question, please, Nachiketa. Manu Prakshihi. Anybody remembered that 20th shlok, what I said? Well, I didn't say, you didn't ask me to buy heart. No, I asked that if you can buy heart, it will be good. Or I am already suffering with nodes, etc. My heart will go out if I buy heart. Yeyam prete vichikitsa manushye asti tyeke nayam asti chaike. It was not heard yesterday. Yaad aa raha hai na? Try to buy heart. One line. If you can't buy heart all full, one line you buy heart. Kya farak? Try. If you can't buy heart, at least you will read it. Your mind will become pure. Etad vidyam anushishtastvayaham varanam esha varastratiya. This is the question. So see what is how the topic is gradually going. Topic is there that earlier mukshatva liberation was now the vairagya. So in this earlier the vairag was ihalok, about the objects of this world. Now parlok, that lok, Bapre. Now next lok, 26th verse, you have no choice. What no choice? You have to by heart. 20th was a choice. But 26 words is a golden mantra of Kathopanishad. You have no choice but to by heart it. Today is Sunday. So I will like to see that by Wednesday you have 3 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So by Wednesday latest, try to by heart it. Write it somewhere near your desk. Write it on a piece of paper and put near your desk so that anytime you come to your table to write notes, there you can see this mantra. Very, very, very important. Acha? Please repeat after me. Shobhava martasya yadanta kaitat सर्वेन्द्रियाणां जरयन्ति तेजः अपि सर्वं जीवितमल्पमेव तवैव वाहास्तव नृत्यगीते. Again. शोभावामर्त्यस्य यदन्तकैतत् सर्वेन्द्रियाणां जरयन्ति तेजः अपि सर्वं जीवितमल्पमेव तवैव वाहास्तव नृत्यगीते. What a beautiful answer Nachiketa has given. I marvel at this mantra. Fourth line we will see first. He said, your dance and song. Vaha means vehicle. A nice vehicle you are giving, and damsels you are giving me. Nice food you were giving me. Nice houses you are giving me. And 10 apsaras you are giving me. I think, let it be with you only. This is what makes me so happy. Vaha means vehicle. All this should be with you only. अरे भाई ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो तुम? दे रहे, you are not asking. Can you give reason why you are not wanting it? Why you are not wanting this? Well, I am giving you the reason for that. First 3 line is the reason. First 3 line is the reason of Vairagya. And last line he is giving a little sarcastic remark that let it be with you. That means I don't want it. And somebody is giving you, it is something like that. Somebody is giving you full basket full of dust. Or 5-4 basket of dust. What will you say? I think you keep it. I don't have place in my room to keep dust. As you think like about dust, similarly Nachiketa is thinking about everything. Therefore he is the ideal and hero of our Vedantics. But why? Acha, inside Yamaraj was very happy. If the student does very good test, the teacher is very happy from inside. They see how difficult question I asked and he gave the answer. Well done, very good. He may pretend outside that, you did not do this day, but he was very happy from inside. And a good teacher will always want any good student should be there. He should not be distracted here and there. Actually, he did not want that he should have opted for any of these things. In the heart of his heart, Yamadharmaraj did not want that Nachiketa should have said yes. A good teacher does not want that a student should digress and distract here and there if he is a good student. If he is not, then he feels he should go and do something else. And these three lines are beautiful. Why Nachiketa? He said, number one cause. Three causes are giving. He antak. There is a word of antak. Antak means sarvasya antam karoti iti antak. Who will know better? You destroy everybody. You are a death minister. You should know this question. Hey antak. What address? Address is antak. Where is antak? I don't see where is antak. Yadantak. Yad antak. Yad antak. This is when you know Sanskrit more, you will catch immediately. How long will I take? That depends on you how much effort you put. Okay. I think I'm putting a lot of effort. Okay. So Shvaha Abhava. Well, whatever you are giving to me, Yamadharmaraja, tomorrow it won't be there. So Nachiketa asked this question to Yamaraj. What you are giving to me, Yamadharmaraja, how long it will be with me? He said 5,000 years. He said, after that? Well, after that, you will be standing here only. I will lose everything. Of course. What a bad deal. What a bad deal. You marry somebody to lose that person. You have wealth so that one day you will be without that wealth. Aha. We are together, all meeting is for departing. Parting. We will live together, after that I lose you and you will lose. Everything will be absent. And then you cannot sign in absentia. As you will grow old, some of you are already old, so you will get more frequent news that Buaji is no more. ठीक है ना? That Buaji, which Buaji? That who used to live in M02? ठीक बोला M02? Okay. So that M02 Buaji is no more. Poopaji already had left 7 years back. Now Buaji is also not there. Then you will hear that my classmate who was studying with me, Ravish. So today what happened? Today we heard he is now having cancer. I think he will not survive for more than few months. ऐसे सुनाई पड़ेगा आपको. Like the ripe mangoes fall from the tree, some slowly all will fall away. ठीक है? Including your own body, including your house also. Well, whatever you are giving, Bhashekar writes, Shvaha bhavashyanti na bhavishyanti vaiti sandhi. Everything is under doubt whether he'll be there or not. Forget about the outer object. I'm telling about emotions also. Some people love, you wonder whether he will be loving like this or he will leave me one day. Whether this person who is claiming to love, whether he will be like this loving or when he will leave, I don't know. What your experience is? My experience is people don't love here. They are selfish only. They are not with you for a long time. You don't know what gush of time will come and separate two people. Therefore, there is no point in getting attached. Shwabhava. Martasya swabhava. This bhog also will go away. These damsels will also go away. Your childhood friend, where are they? Who was in class 2, your friend? Where is he gone? Well, I don't know. Class 7 friends, so many friends you had when you were in class 2, 5, 8, 9, 10. All of you must be past metric also. That friend who was in metric, that boy, that girl who used to live together, dance together, talk together, had go to eating together, used to call in the birthdays. Where is he now? Well, he is somewhere else. I know where is he, but he is with you. No, we are not in touch too much. We are not in touch. So those who are in touch today, they will be out of touch after some time. Okay? So close we were. So close we were. Now what happened that? Closeness gone. Hello. Even while living, some are absent. They don't bother where are you, how are you. This is the nature of the world. It is not their fault. It is the nature. They are everybody is so busy in their own areas. God has given so much thing that you are occupied with your own areas. There is nobody who is for you, human being or animal or desk also. शोभावा मर्तस्य दंत कैतद क्यों भागो तुम उसके पीछे when that thing is not there? Why should you run after it when it will not be there? That his love also won't be there. No. That object also won't be there. No. And sometimes object is there but you can't enjoy. I love sweet so much now, but I have diabetes now. So your diet has Shwabhava. सब ऐसे ही है यहाँ पे. देखो, this is vairagya should always be because of discrimination, not because of frustration. I had one friend. So his father passed away. And he knew that I used to read Gita, etc. So he never used to come. When I used to come in our study group, we will read Gita together. He said, "No, what is this? You are too much. What should be read after 60, 70? You are reading in the 15-year-old. This is not what for life is there." So his father's cremation was there. I used to sit near cremation ground. So one day I saw him. I said, "Arey, what happened? Bole, my father passed away." Oh my God. So I said, I also stood there near the cremation was going on. He said, "You are all so right. So right. I should have come." Funeral pyre was burning. Seeing that, beach mein crying also, and see, very right. No, I will not leave you. I will definitely come. Really, this world is nothing. All these things. But he didn't come. It is called Shamshan Vairagya. Dispassion is on the cremation. There are 2-3 kind of dispassion. One is called Markat Vairagya. Markat means monkey Vairagya. Monkey imitates. The leave is Swami ban gaye, I will also become Swami. I will also become Brahmachari. I will also become Brahmachari. He is there, I will also. But why? Why you want to do that? Here Nachiketa is saying, Shwabhava, tomorrow it won't be there. So everything comes with the expiry date. Even the life-saving drug also has expiry date.